kwaba so kokra ba abet keys official said ye da ye no and then she ye iba o iba by Nathanielbassey iba o iba and you need see enti pre progressions are or the ball and you know and you need 2 re no about 6 la no about 3 mi no about to 6 la. So these are the courses our the ball, you know. Enti re no about la no about mi no about back to la. Enti re no A D F. Am I revising see a bossy? C near bo. Enti A D F. Re we are no about la. La no see E A C la. And here 6. We are no about me. Me see E J and a B. E J and a B. E J and a B. Me here we are back to your 6 no. La no E A C. Enti no progressions are or the ball and you meaning a handy. I remember part kakra bi na yenhwe how our progressions no echo into a start iba o iba o iba o iba enti iba o re la mi la o iba o iba o iba it is an annual ni progressions no e dey eti enti re la mi la enti we C debia almost C na F no so na oba or the same progressions no and ye dey adwuma and the F ni enti F ni iba o iba la enti F ni eboyo enti re la mi la enti the same chord progressions and the idea adwuma ha enti re enti and here D J B flat J B flat sorry D J B flat iwiani abala la no see A D F and here F no la iwiani abano 3 mi no see A C E mi back to la enti iba o iba o iba enti re la mi la enti mi ba cho sana enwom no ni progressions na eti enti ma bon C ma sanso abon F ti se bia wo mo C na abo F a ni nyina ebetimi aboa ti mi ba cho sana enwom no ni progressions ni nyina eti enti e ba cho wo enwom bia pasa me yema so abetimi dia to comment section ase mesro se obe subscribe no wa share no wa like ya me shira. See you in my next video.